Yes, my name is Ken Rogers, and I work as a program officer at Fawe Uganda. Fawe Uganda is Forum for African Women Educationalists, Uganda chapter.
Thank you so much. Moderator, thank you for the opportunity. My name is Asava Simbola. I'm with the Fawe team, but generally I am an alumni of the Mastercard Foundation Fawe Uganda Scholarship of Phase 1. And I am very happy to be here and to share a lot to discuss this opportunity with the people of the Sebe sub-region.
Yeah.
We're excited to be here.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Good evening, moderator. My name is Chelanga Juliet. I am the District Education Officer, Queen, District Local Government, accompanying the team from Fawe.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay, I will introduce you back again to the microphone.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, moderator. My namesake, Roger.
No, I'm called Eric.
Eric.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Fawe Uganda is Forum of African Women Educationalists, Uganda chapter. We are one of the 36 chapters in Africa. We have other Fawe organizations across Africa. And we have our head offices in Nairobi. That's where our head offices are. In Uganda, we are celebrating 27 years.
27 years.
Yes, so we've been here, changing lives. Our major mandate is girls' education. We support girls to ensure that they enroll and complete all cycles of the education. Yes. We don't only support girls, much as our major mandate is girls' education, but we also support boys and support them into our program interventions. We do a number of things. We do research as an organization to guide our implementation and also the implementation of our partners. We do advocacy, especially for the rights of women and children. Our head office is in Kampala, Bukoto, but we also have regional offices in Fort Potro, in Western Uganda, in Imbarara, and in Ajumani, as well as Wiyende, and in partnership with the Mastercard Foundation, our donor, a program that will enable the marginalized young girls and a few boys to access tertiary education, a program that will support the government efforts to ensure that there is increased access to higher education. And we call it Mastercard Foundation Phase 2, having implemented a similar program right from 2017 to this year. It is ending this year. So we come in with a lot of opportunities for the young people out there. And we shall be implementing this program in about 51 districts in Uganda. And these districts include Abim, Amdat, Amur, Amorata, Ajumani, Agago, Bududa, Burisa, Buko, Bundibujo, Buyende, Isinjiro, Kaberamaido, Kabongo, Kotido, Kampala, Kasese, Chikube, Kamwenge, Chiriandongo, Kalungu, Kwen, Luka, Lamo, Karenga, Kanungu, Amuria, Katakwi, Moyo, Moroto, Mukono, Mubende, Obongi, Nebi, Nabilatuk, Nakapilipiti, Kole, Kasanda, Ntoroko, Namaingo, Manafa, Mayuge, Napak, Noya, Otuke Pali, Sapade, Terego, Tororo, Wakiso, and Yumbe districts. So those are the districts that we shall be operating in across the phase of this program. And we do this program in partnership with institutions of learning. which include universities and also technical institutions. The universities include Barara University of Science and Technology, we have Gulu University, we have Lira University, we have Sitema University, we have Kavala University, we have Bishop Stewart University, we have Ndeje University, we have Moni University, and IU Islamic University in Uganda, and as well as Kumi University. Then the UTCs, the technical institutions that you are going to work with on this program, they include Uganda Technical Colleges, Elgon, we have Chema, UTC Lira, UTC Chichwamba, and vocational training institutes like Nairo Vocational Training Institute in Jinja, Nakawa Vocational Institute in Kampala, and health training institutions that include Medical Laboratory Training School in Jinja, Jinja School of Nursing and Midwifery, we have Mulago Paramedical Institute, and Agricultural College Bukalasa in Ruero, as well as Petroleum Institute in Chigumba. Yeah, so we are targeting participants who are aged between 15 to 25 years, or who should have sat for their O and A levels in from 2021, 2022, and 2023 academic years. So those are the target people we are looking at, and they should be vulnerable. They should be vulnerable. And talk about who is the vulnerable participant we are looking at. We are looking at orphans, total orphans. We are looking at people living with HIV/AIDS or affected or infected by HIV/AIDS. We are looking at people with disability. We are looking for refugees. Then we are also looking at people, child-headed households, and also families that had rich, as well as families affected by geographical hazards like floods and you know, that happens in Bududa, for example, Kasese, as well as Buko, Manafa. They are affected quite by the environment. So those are the categories of people we are looking at, and we are going to implement this program in using around two approaches. One of them is what we call the Higher Education Access Certificate, the bridging program. In Uganda today we have 4 avenues of joining university, and one of them is the direct entry. We have the diploma scheme, we have the mature scheme, and now the Higher Education Access Certificate program is now the 4th entry route that enables one to access university education. So we are going to support the vulnerable youth that we shall have identified in the communities to enroll and complete this 1-year bridging program, and then support them at the degree level at the university. But we're also focusing on science-related courses. That is our major focus on this program. Yeah, my colleague will talk about who qualifies for that in a short while. The other approach is the technical vocational education, TVET. We're also targeting that if you have not gone through the Higher Education Access Program, you can also apply for TVET. TVET will target certificate and diploma levels. So participants can either go for diploma, or senior 4 will qualify for the certificates, and then senior 6 will be admitted for the diploma scheme. So those are the approaches that we are going to use when we are implementing this program. And also it is important to note that our bursaries are free of charge. We don't charge anyone, not even for the application. And we work with the district education officers in the respective districts to ensure that participants can pick application forms and also bring them back. However, we don't admit the participants. The participants must be admitted at the institutions that I mentioned above. So for you to qualify, you need to go at least for now, try to go and be admitted at the university or at the technical vocational institutions that we have mentioned above. And also just to add on that our applications, our scholarships, our bursaries are comprehensive. They are comprehensive in a way that we pay your tuition 100%, we pay your accommodation 100%, we pay medical insurance, and also provide a sizable amount of stipend to ensure that you have access to the basic needs as you go along with your studies. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for briefing us a little bit about Fawe. Now, I think I'm going to introduce to... I want her to translate for us, and then we come back to...
Anila ginya igula kataga aborgan la jiguro la chena Juliet I pan district education officer ni Queen am san go shono am ujan go to jonda ga toigi di bayal gon radio kangalal ngalo rinde ne batatia kang ngale kita boni karom dena tumnya ikwan la kataga le mamu jana ise ngalap tap jumbek kabarana go twak ngale kyo ga mo na ni tilianyo ga